Hey EV owners, ready to transform the way you charge? Introducing Express Service Group Inc., your go-to experts for installing and maintaining EV chargers at your home or business. Imagine never worrying about finding a charging station again. With our reliable and efficient solutions, you can power up right from your driveway or office. Our expert technicians ensure fast, convenient, and safe charging, giving you the freedom to focus on your journey. Whether you need a new home charging station installed or your existing unit maintained, we've got you covered. Join thousands of satisfied EV owners who trust Express Service Group to keep their vehicles charged and ready to go. Drive with confidence, knowing your power is in good hands. Express Service Group Inc., making EV charging simple, reliable, and worry-free. Visit us today and never look back. Now remember, don't stress. Call Express for all your electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and water and fire restoration needs at 843-488-4503. Again, that's 843-488-4503. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll stay up to date with Express. We appreciate you sharing our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to watch the next Express video. Thank you for watching.